So, the area I live in had a snowstorm a couple days ago, and something you want to be aware of the days following a snowstorm is when the sun comes out and it starts warming up the snow from the on top of the roof there. Well, after a couple of days, it turns into a sheet of ice, so you have an entire sheet of ice hanging off the edge of your building. And I'm on the second floor, as you can see from how far down that is. I'm gonna start pushing on it, see if I can break some of it off. Holy crap, that's thick! Ooh. Oh, now we're seeing the thickness as I'm getting through different layers. Oh, there it goes. Loosened it up. Okay. I like to get rid of this stuff when no one's around downstairs. So I'll get rid of this potential threat before it can fall down and hit someone on the head and kill them. And just a little bit left at the very end. There we go. I was using my broom there, so I didn't have to lean over the edge. But it's always good to knock off that thick sheet of ice as it starts going off the edge of your roof. Don't let it accidentally fall on its own and land on someone's head. Crush. Ow.